Okay, here we are, still doing the dishes. Yeah, and we're making good progress too. As you can see, I've got a little section of the counter is clean. Yes, that is right. I'm almost ready to put this other thing of dishes back in and order them in. I use gallon jars a lot. I store things in them. I used to have glass jars at Subway. I used to get them there. This is a very old jar, you know, so why is this still on? Just goes to show how much I care. Sorry, Subway, your name is no longer to be found. Ta-da! One clean jar.
Mom?
Yeah?
Is the dumpster open?
Yep, the dump is open.
There you go.
Okay. Tish and Graham and all are going. Yeah, they're here. They just got here. Oh, hello. There you are, right there. Hi. How are you?
Very well, and you?
Very well.
Good. You cut your hair.
I did, but I have some hair pieces I can put in for you.
Hair pieces?
Yeah, to make it like my hair used to be when it was very long.
That's really funny.
What?
That's really funny.
It's really funny.
It's not very nice.
Well, it's true. Hello.
Hi.
How's my son-in-law?
Very well, thank you. How are you doing?
Good. Very well, thank you.
Good. Good.
Want to see my hair pieces?
Okay.
Okay.
Are they here?